everyone, I'm Seva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be answering some of your guys' frequently asked questions about intermittent fasting. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get into it. So if you guys haven't seen it already, make sure to check out my video titled Intermittent Fasting 101. There I'm going to really just dive into intermittent fasting, what it is, the different types, if it's right for you, all that kind of stuff. So I might already be answering some of the questions that you have for me here today in the comment section, so I would recommend you check out that video first and then watch this one. But I mean, if you're already here, I'm not going to tell you to leave, so it's up to you guys. So here today I've compiled 7 of the most common or frequent questions about intermittent fasting and their answers. Now I've compiled these from online, from friends, from family members, from viewers, from you guys who have subscribed to my email list and ask me questions through there. So I hope I answer all of your guys' questions. If there's still ones that I haven't answered, just definitely make sure to leave me your questions in the comment section below. Feel free to email me, whatever it is that you guys want to do, and I'll definitely respond to you guys. And on a little side note here, I don't know what's going on in Jersey. One day it's, 80 degrees and the next it's 50 degrees. So today is one of those like 52 degree, rainy, cold days. So that's why I'm bundled in this amazing sweatshirt or blanket, whatever you want to call this, and fuzzy leggings. Whereas some of the other videos, I don't want you guys to think, I filmed them 500 years ago, but like, dude, it was like 80 degrees and I was in like a tank top because it was deathly hot out. So I don't know what's happening, but that's just a little side note in case anyone wanted to know. So question number 1, can you drink liquids during a fast? We talk a lot about what you should eat, but not so much what you should drink. So this is definitely a good question. So yes, non-caloric beverages such as water, tea, and coffee are completely fine. Just don't add too much sugar, sweeteners, and stuff like that to your drinks. But, some cream or some milk in your coffee or tea is okay. Question number 2. So isn't breakfast the most healthy meal of the day? Like, why are you telling me that it's okay to skip it? So typically, most of the people that say something like that, like, oh, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, like, they don't typically lead like the healthiest lifestyle or necessarily know everything that they're talking about. So, I mean, actually, is one meal more important than the other, or the time that you eat and all that kind of stuff? Like, not necessarily. Like, breakfast is not the most important. Like, an overall healthy diet and lifestyle is what's important, not like you have an amazing breakfast because that's the most important and then the rest of the day you're able to just eat like whatever. No. So as long as you're eating healthy whole foods for the rest of the day, then skipping your breakfast is totally healthy. But like I did say in my video, just make sure that you're not skipping breakfast and then, you're so hungry and starving that for lunch you're having like an insane meal that's breakfast, lunch, and dinner all into one. That just kind of defeats the purpose here. Question number 3, can I take supplements while fasting? So yes, of course, you can take your supplements, but just keep in mind that some supplements do work better when you're consuming them with meals because they are fat-soluble vitamins. So just be mindful of that. Question number 4, can I work out while fasted? So yes, you can definitely work out while fasting. You can either do fasted cardio, fasted weightlifting, whatever it is, it's perfectly okay. Some people actually recommend taking BCAAs or branched chain amino acids before doing a fasted workout, but that's totally up to you guys. I can, if you guys want, link some good ones down below in the description box for you guys to check them out. I was also thinking about making a separate video about fasted exercise or fasted cardio and benefits. Should you do it? Should you not do it? So let me know if that's something that you guys want to see in the comment section below, and I'll definitely come up with a video for you guys. Okay, we're halfway there. Number 5, will fasting cause muscle loss? So this is one of those questions that sometimes I see people talking about on like Instagram or whatever that just makes me like cringe. It's like, yeah, every type of exercise for weight loss is going to have some muscle loss. There's not going to be just one exercise that you do or one method of dieting that you do or whatever that's like, nope, only fat. You're only going to lose fat. You're not going to lose any muscle. You're not going to lose anything. Like, yeah, okay, in your dreams, buddy. Like, yeah, I would love to go to the gym and just work out and it's like, yeah, oh my God, all of the fat is just like melting off of my body and I'm just ripped. Like, unless you're injecting yourself, which even then, if you're taking steroids and whatever else, you still need to work out and have a healthy diet in order to see optimal results. So like, goose forever. So, all weight loss methods are going to cause some muscle loss as well. That's why it's important to work out, do some weight training to try and keep your muscles building, have a good protein intake. But they do say, scientists do say, that intermittent fasting does cause less muscle loss than just strict caloric restrictions and deficits. Number 6, will fasting slow down my metabolism? No. Studies actually show that short-term fasts can actually boost your metabolism, but longer fasts, like for 3 or more days, can suppress it. And finally, lucky number 7, should children fast? That's probably not a good idea to have your children start intermittent fasting or anything like that. Just no. So that's it. Those are all 7 of my frequently asked questions from you guys, and I hope I answered all of them. If there's any more that you have after watching this video or going back and watching the original video, make sure to ask me them in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, my healthy food recommendations, or my delicious recipes, make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.